Over the course of the past 4 years, the Lansing Police Department has been collecting data to get a better picture of our neighbors' thoughts when it comes to public safety. I'm your Lansing neighborhood reporter, Asia Lawrence, here with a look at those results and how LPD plans on addressing these concerns.
What do you think are the biggest issues facing the city right now? How safe do you feel? Do you trust the police?
These are some of the many questions that Lansing Police were able to get answers to from a survey done by an outside company called Zen City.
I must be a part of their target demographic because I have seen those targeted ads, those sponsored ads, but I didn't necessarily know what it was until my work with Lansing Empowerment Network.
Earlier this week, Lansing Empowerment Network and Zen City presented the data from the survey. First up, neighbors' top concerns. Streets and traffic topped that list in previous years, but this year, violence was the top concern for neighbors.
It's a quality of life sort of issue.
According to LPD, fatal shootings are down by 20% and non-fatal shootings are down by 11.5% in Lansing compared to 2024. But there's still work to do. Thursday night was the most recent example when LPD responded to the area of South Washington Square around 11 p.m. when they heard multiple gunshots. LPD officials say they learned a 29-year-old male arrived at the hospital with multiple gunshot wounds. This investigation is still active and no arrests have been made at this time, but the victim is expected to survive.
We have a problem. That's an acknowledgement that's really important to me.
I spoke with Lynn and Chief Backus before Thursday's shooting took place, but there were already discussions around the big picture of safety in the capital city.
Saying that this is a trend that we're seeing. This might have been a news story that you saw, and this is what we've done about it. I think that if people see that what they're saying and what we're sharing, that there's a response to that, especially when there's a successful response, that hopefully that will have an impact on their perception of the police and their feeling of safety.
Here in Lansing, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Asia Lawrence, Fox 47 News.